Did you know you're applying your oils the wrong way? Yes, that is why your hair is not growing. And it won't until you apply it the right way. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kane, and in today's video I'm going to tell you the two types of oil, how to properly apply them for massive hair growth. Right, so the two types of oil, we have the hair growth oil and the moisturizing oil. With the hair growth oil, you put the oil directly on your scalp and not the hair, while the moisturizing oil is applied to your hair and not the scalp. What are some of the examples of the hair growth oil? We have the rosemary oil, the hemp seed oil, tea tree oil, peppermint oil, grapeseed oil, vitamin E oil, etc. I will leave it in the description below. Applying the oil with the massage method has a long list of advantages. The hair growth oil creates a healing effect on your scalp, while the massage improves the flow of blood to the scalp, which stimulates hair growth. Now, the moisturizing oil can reach the inner layer of the hair shaft by penetrating the outer layer. These type of oils prevent hair from drying out and make it resistant to breakage. Some examples of the moisturizing oil, we have the argan oil, avocado oil, coconut oil, olive oil, sesame oil, and almond oil. Because this type of oil penetrates the hair, it is best applied with water or water-based leave-in conditioner, mostly used before shampooing, that is washing your hair, pre-pooing, and oil rinse. This process adds extra moisture and softens your beautiful hair. Let's look at some of the benefits of moisturizing oil. Moisturizing oil makes your hair stronger. Hair becomes more elastic when exposed to oil, making it less likely to break. Your hair is shielded from the heat damage and prevents frizz. So now that we know the differences between the moisturizing oil and the hair growth oil, which one is the sealing oil? So the sealing oil is a type of oil that sits on your hair and do not penetrate the hair. It rather protects the moisture in the hair strands from escaping the hair. Okay, so some of the examples of the sealing oil is shea butter. Coconut oil also serves as a sealing oil and a moisturizing oil. And we also have jojoba oil. The sealing oil makes your hair look shiny and also protect moisture from escaping the hair. This is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. This means a lot to me. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in the next few days. Bye for now.